What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and today we're going to be going for a spirited early morning drive in 60-degree weather in my 5th gen Camaro ZL1. And I'm up at this time because I'm going to be heading down to the Redlands area to get some delicious Nosberry Farm cinnamon rolls. Now if you're local to South Florida, you know that those cinnamon rolls are incredibly popular and they open up at 8 o'clock in the morning. So if you're not there by 6:30, 7, you're gonna wait at least an hour just to get them. So let's start going. That's a great way to be waking up right now. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! There's no way! Oh my God! We hit an 8.63. Okay, so right now this is 62 degrees Fahrenheit weather, windows down, starting on 3rd gear at around 50 miles per hour, and we hit 8.63. That is, oh wow. Okay. All right, now we're talking, baby. All right, so that's pretty satisfactory. I'll probably do some runs later on. It's good to see that we're hitting these times with these weather conditions, which we're never gonna get again, or we're not gonna get again very commonly here in South Florida. Wow, that is absurd. Let's talk a little bit about how freaking awesome this car is turning out to be. Now granted, we're not going all out with this build at such a short period of time, because I first need to kind of digest the amount of money that this car is going to basically require to get to the point that I want it to get to. So I'm going to kind of like pace myself, and I really hope that you guys stick around and watch the content as the build slowly progresses. I want to start racing other people now, for sure. Obviously in a legal and optimal scenario and environment, but oh my gosh, guys, this is just so damn exciting. Oh shit, is that a Camaro? Yes it is. Oh wow, that is a 1st gen Camaro, guys, right next to me. Oh. That is so cool. I wonder what he's doing out this early in the morning. I hope he's gonna go get some cinnamon rolls like me. That unemployed YouTube content creator life. Oh, and here's another funny thing about my ZL1. I'm not sure if this happens to anybody else. or maybe anybody else with a sunroof that has a General Motors car, but when you give this car hard accelerations, does your sunroof move back too? But this thing always slides back when I do a fat pull. I can tell that you're modified just by how your sunroof cover reacts. I think one of my biggest goals in life as a car enthusiast and just a guy that enjoys to push the cars to the limit is to be able to do a perfect slide off and on to the highway. I don't know what car I'm gonna learn on because I think the Camaro is just a little bit too powerful, especially mine. Yo, this thing is crazy. All right, guys, it's time to wake up. Come on. Oh my God, it's so violent. Jesus. Oh, what the hell? All right, let's try a little 0 to 60 now.
We'll get them next time.
Too much spinning, guys. 4.5, okay, slightly better, but holy jeez, I think I'm the second person here, third person here. Jesus, there is no way. Literally once in a lifetime occurrence right now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna work on some things before Nosberry opens, and once I get the cinnamon rolls, I'll keep going. And here we are, guys, 3 dozen or 36 cinnamon rolls, nice and packed inside of the Camaro. Well, if anybody wants to say that the Camaro is not a practical car, they are bullshitting, because check it out. If you guys found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button, and of course do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And last but not least, let me know in the comment section below, what's the type of POV that you want to see on this channel with the ZL1? I mean, right now I am stoked that I was able to hit that 8.63 time. That's insane. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section below, and well, peace.